that's a vibe. Yes, I come here from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our lives. Me and you mixed two, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mixed two, that's a vibe. Yes, I come here from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our lives. Me and you mixed two, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mixed two, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mixed two, that's a vibe. Yes, I come in from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mixed two, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. that's the vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mixed too, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Me and you mixed too, that's the vibe.
Yo, yo. What up, TikTok, Snapchat, MySpace? Awesome. What's up and what's happening? Awesome. Here we go. Here we literally go. New York. New York. Hey, I'm walking here. Cool as. What up, Ariel? Sick. Pez dog. Wait, what, Pez? Are you meant to be asleep now is what you're saying? Huh? Big Grant, what up, my brother? Grant out here doing Mr. Beast thumbnails. Allison? New York. Hey, I'm walking here. Let's do a quick top down here. Massive drop today. Now we're wicking up. Oh, okay. Daily's massively wicking up here. 4 hour massively pushing up here. Your Telegram channel, please. Me not have Telegram. What's sleep? What up, Henley? 4 hour pushing up here, rejecting massively. This New York candle just pushed up pretty strong. 30 minute. 15. Yeah, okay. I guess this is probably the closest level. Mark out a few levels. These will be some of the key levels, areas of interest for GC. And Q, what do you got? Yeah, it's obvious NQ is going to poke its head up here. Let's kind of isolate NQ. I think buys on NQ is really good. I don't know if it's going to happen until stock exchange. Yeah, I would love to buy NQ. You're not going to get a breakout. You're not going to get a clean breakout. You have to find a sneaky way in. But what up? What up? Here we go, you guys. Back at it with the coffees. I just don't trust these coffees, man. The lids. What up, Malcolm? Bro, my Facebook live stream gets more views than all of my shits now. Nearly 10K on the last live stream. Nikki's here. Yeah, no one messed with Nikki. Nikki's officially my employee. Nikki officially works for me. She's on the payroll. You know, I hide Nikki because I've dealt with a lot of people in life and they're all lazy and shit. And Nikki at such a young age is like so hardworking. I was like, yeah, 100%. Yeah, Nikki should literally employ me. She basically will be controlling my life soon. Check gold, please. No, I don't want to check gold. It'd be a beautiful day today. I believe you, brother. I believe you. Big Seth, what up, G? You still in the same apartment? Depends. Since I've been to Dubai, this is my second apartment and I'm here now. Yeah, so here we go. You guys can also see this. I'm also going to be a bit more active doing this challenge. This is a personal account here. It's so annoying to hear into the mic. That's okay. Do you have a signal channel? I mean, you're kind of on it. Kind of on the SIG channel. Yeah, big drop on gold for the new. I mean, the New York session thus far is just pushed up pretty strong. Funded next account. Oh, nice, good stuff. Very nice. We've got some big things cooking. Do we really have power speaking? Yeah, it's not power, it's some other shit. Yeah, no red folder today. Yeah, let's see if we can just get a good old-fashioned trade. After a breakout? Yeah, I'll be looking for a few things here, so we'll see. They said, who? Who the hell's that guy? What's the risk per trade for the 50K challenge account? It'll vary. You know, I took a pretty aggressive sell early on and got 9K on the account. But it will vary. I'll keep it pretty consistent. Slowly increase as it grows. It'll never not be funny. On funded next account, can I withdraw the profits once I'm past? Somebody actually just asked it, Shibby. I know we just said that, but then somebody genuinely just said it. Ah. Wow, what are the chances? Like, what is the divine timing? What was the sell on your Insta story? My sell on my Insta story was over here. I nearly got cooked by 1 pip. Price came down, wicked up, pushed down. Yeah, it was pretty ugly for a bit there. Red flags. Literally drinking a coffee inside of the microphone. What are you considering before entering? I just need a confirmation of what's going to be good to enter. What's up, you guys? I mean, we've just become like the emoji, like these zesty ass emojis. Man, Ty, that emoji, that meme thing that you sent in the fucking Discord in reaction to that trade, just it was just perfect timing. Like, no offense, like, because we all make this, like, take shitty trades at the start. Oh, but fucking hell. All right, what are we doing? We're coming down here. It's a classic, that meme, that dude's smile. I mean, one of my old best friends' mums used to have that exact same smile. It's like real kind of awkward. Is gold ready to rip? Man, you tell me and we'll both know. What's your thoughts on Orb Strat? Yeah, I'm not a fan of Orb Strat. Yeah, I'm not getting a buzz cut, but I am getting a haircut like tomorrow or something. I'm gonna book it in. Oh, lower the sound? Okay. No, you should be fine. I can see that there's barely any audio coming through. If this is wrong, I'm blocking you. Because you know you're making me waste my time.
It's a classic, that,
Yep.
that meme.
Alright, where are you? You're in detention. Can you lower the music? And we're gonna put you in. We'll give you a minute to, we'll give you I'll give you 1 minute to think about your choices there. Yeah, music's fine. Oh, it looks a bit loud now because I turn it back on. All right, man, we're in this range, all good. What's the range here in terms of pips? Really, Allison? Yeah. Oh man, man, you guys, I'm back in Australia in just over a week for a visit. If you haven't already, register for the meetup. I'm going to close the meetup I'm going to close the meetup shits very soon, and then start talking to the guys in the meetup thing. Here's a link to it in the chat. Brisbane Traders Meetup. What places don't tax income? I mean, just Google it. It's Am I selling or buying? I'm selling if it breaks below this level. Defo. You too late, bro. You not buy. Bro. Check. It's not echoing, bro. The speaker's echoing. Yeah. There's a burger. Cool as. So I've got a minute and a half here. See if this candle holds below this level. If it holds below this level, I'll sell gold. I'm looking to sell gold potentially. Bay or seal. Can you explain how you came up with that range? Yeah, the range I came up with, just this structure here based on the 15-minute time frame, is where my support level is. And my resistance level is based on this structure up here. But if this closes down here, which it looks like it's going to, I'm actually going to move this to here. billions. I blew my account of 4,000 because I was trying to catch falling knife today. Oh, yeah. I mean, there's only one way to learn it. I guess it's the hard way most of the time. Yeah. The old knife syndrome. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. I put my dignity on the line every day. And all I ask is you to slither your finger across the like button. Subscribe, share, notification, tell your friends, send an owl with a scroll with my YouTube details on to everyone you know. Yay, copy fucking woo. All right, we didn't break below. I mean, I've kind of got the market isolated here. NQ, what are you doing? Yeah, I want to buy NQ, man, but I just feel like it. Do we want to buy NQ? I feel like it's going to wait till stock exchange. I don't want to force it. And do we want to sell gold? No, we don't. Not yet. Gold could drop here. I can't do it yet. I can't do it though. Why'd you delete the move into Dubai vlog? I just didn't like it. Why did I think I just kind of, it was like the first video I ever really made and I just felt like it was shit. Yeah, maybe I overthought it. Wait, did he actually see you, Jack? Did someone say, I'll send my pigeons for you? That's hilarious. No, I can't answer this. Wow, what are the chances of that? I need to start posting more. Bro, I post every day, if not multiple times a day, over 4 different platforms. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I live stream every day as well, so 1 long form content as well every day. 5 pieces of content minimum every single day. But I need to post more. Big Seth, what up, my brother? Not enough for him, bro, legit. Yeah, I can't believe that. Oh, you mean vlog type stuff? Yeah, I don't know. It takes a lot of effort and I don't know if people give a shit. Maybe I don't know. Maybe, yeah. I've got like half of a vlog content. You need to film so much content to put a decent vlog together. Yeah, same time every day, New York Open. I'll switch it up in a week and a half when I go back to Australia. But here we are, you guys, New York Open, and kind of got the market pinned here, and I'm looking to either fill this wick up here or do some other shit down here. Show me your Rolex, man. Nah, I don't remove it. Dude, ever since I got the Rolex, hundreds and billions of chicks. Billions and billions of chicks just raining out of the sky. Psych. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Your strategy. Wow, the way you spell strategy, it sounds like strategy. How many pips are you usually aim for? Like 25, take partials off, let the rest run for 400,000. Do you use, yeah, this could drop here. Do you use beside to another theory like Wyckoff? Man, I'm about to whack off. No, I don't use any other weird, I don't use any other stuff at all. No. No. Are you able to copy trade personal accounts? I mean, it doesn't really make sense to copy trade personal accounts, does it? Whack off theory. The number one theory. Help me get one chick, yeah. The only way to get one chick is, yeah, buy Rolex. No, jokes. How old are you? I'm Dusty, bro. I'm 34. Yeah, I'm on the dust syndrome. So here we are, we're in this level, we're in this range. We'll see. If I don't get a setup here before Stock Exchange open, I might start tomorrow by starting the stream at Stock Exchange. Have you ever whack-offed? Whack-off theory? Watching from Zambia. Where is Ellie? What is she doing now? Wow, that's a fucking throwback Thursday. Ella might be there at the Brisbane meetup, actually. 34 and still single? Yes, 100%. I mean, it's different for a guy. I could be single for like as long as I want, really. As long as I'm successful, shredded, good looking, funny, charismatic, smart, intelligent, witty, and rich. It's different for a girl though. Yeah, I really don't want this to drop, to be honest. Do you smoke weed? No, I don't. I used to. Yeah, I used to. I did most of my life. The first time I ever did was when I was literally 12. Stole some off my dad. And then basically just did it my whole life, on and off. And now I don't. How much is the Rolex? I mean, this one was 27,000 Australian dollars. Yeah. Bitcoin went to zero. You couldn't need a shirt to say all that, yeah. You swing the other way, question mark. The only thing I swing is trades, but we'll see. Let's see what happens here. The way of analyzing the market, excellent, appreciate it. I mean, okay, I appreciate that you appreciate it, because these days I'm so lazy to do like a top down. Because I truly believe that no one gives a shit. Like, people just kind of want to see where you're at, what you're interested in, and then that's it. And I don't want to get like I don't want to fall in love with my top-down analysis either. Yes, I use Funded Next. So here we go, man. Whatever I take here, I'm also going to take on my personal account, because I'm going to really try and take serious this 5K to 100K challenge I'm doing here. Yeah, I really want to see if I can actually do this. I mean, when I ever used to think about doing something like that back in the day, I just thought there's no way like people actually do that. And now somehow I've found myself in a position to do it. Love you, brother. Love you too, my bro. Love your bros. You gotta love your bros. You gotta love your bros. Getting rizzed on your TikTok. Yeah, I feel like every time I look at my TikTok chat, Nikki's either getting rizzed up or people are like trying to give her gifts. Where are you living? Habibi land. Oh, look at this past challenge phase 1 and 2. What is the RR of this strategy? I don't know, like 1-to-1, something like that. Bro, your love. Don't love your bros. Bro, your love. What up, Sophie? So yeah, see, we're kind of approaching this level. What does it look like on the 30? Yeah. Most of the people here chatting wanted to become rich without realizing they already are. Nah, they're not rich. Because if someone said that to me when I wasn't rich, I'd be like, bro, I'm not fucking rich. That's why I'm here. I'm trying to get rich. Love your job. Job your love. Bro, what is happening with my wrist? Why am I getting like skinny? Oh, yeah, I don't know. Job your love. You love this strategy? I love you. That's a verb. Do you mostly? Yeah, I mostly trade the same pair because I trade like 2 pairs because you want to get a really good pulse on how it works and moves and shit. Oh, Jez Dog, how did you find this Facebook page? Oh, I think you've been on this before actually. Yeah. What up, brother? Jez Frog 3000. Yeah, rich because it's like Floyd Mayweather thing. He's like, I'm rich on the inside. It's like, oh, fuck off, bro. If you were poor, you wouldn't be saying that. You'd be like, I need to get rich. I hope I'll come to Habibi land soon also. Yeah, come to Habibi land. Man flexing his watch. Ching, ching, ching. So moving up here, we've got 3 minutes for this closure. It's going to be a 30 and a 15 closure. Yeah, I do think that, yeah, stock exchange is where shit really pops off. What's this 30 going to close like? Yeah. We'll see. If this 30 can hold above this level, I might be interested in impulse buy, but it's going to be a bad idea. This is shippy. You became rich because you realize you are not meant to become broke, and that is being rich. Oh, yeah. I always thought, I never fucking wanted to be broke. I always knew I wanted to be rich. I mean, my whole life, I've always been like, man, I've been able to always like get the shit that I want. I'm like, why can't I get to the bag? Like, why could my whole life, I'm like, I could never get to the fucking money. Any like athletic thing I ever wanted to do, I would always win. Any chick I ever wanted, I would always get. Everything I wanted, I would always get, but I could never get to the fucking bag. It was like the ultimate test. It wasn't until I changed like my philosophy for life and kind of got closer to God and shit like that where I actually started to come to fruition, which is interesting. Ignore news, focus on candles. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now. Make sure you guys throw a brick at the thumbs up button there on YouTube. You guys, there's 500 people here. If we all click like at the same time, I could break YouTube records. I'm broke. Hey, Dan. Can we forward to the part where you take a trade? Yeah, but you won't want that if I take a trade and then lose. And you'll be like, can we rewind to the part where you didn't take the trade? Being broke sucks? Bro, I've been broke my whole life. I just remember excruciating pain, just being like, I'm so broke. I remember one time I had a girlfriend, I lived with her and I was super young and my car engine, like oil started to leak out and I just had no money. And now it's like, I just don't have a car now. And it's like, I didn't have parents to be like, hey, can I have $1 and shit? Like, you know, I just had like a shitty job and no qualifications. And then I was just like, oh, my car blew up. I guess I don't have a car now. Or it leaked or whatever. But there was ways around it. Back then I could have, like, if I had a mentor, there wasn't really internet and shit back then. Like there was no one to like kind of look up to or figure this shit out. I don't know. Everything happens for a reason. You were too focused on getting the money, which, I don't know. I don't know if it's that either. All right, so we still failed to break out of this kind of range here. We still failed to break out. Look at this, if you win, we all win. If you lose, made me lose trust. And that makes me want to lose on purpose, just so you can have a cry. Do you believe everyone can become a profitable trader even if they stick to the rules and turn off emotions? I mean, everyone can be a profitable trader, but you can't turn off your emotions. Yeah, that's not even a thing. Is this real? No. You can, you can just get better at trading and managing psychology and managing all the shits. But you can never turn off your emotions or anything like that. Yeah. All right, man. Are we going to take a sell here? Are we going to take an impulse sell here? Don't put your house on this if you want to. If you take a sell here, just put your granny on it. Yeah, I am. I'm 57 on my third divorce. Please don't come down here. I don't want to sell. Please don't come down here. I don't want to sell. God's been teaching you patience? Yeah. I mean, it's like anything, any business you've pursued. If you look at trading like a business, not that I'm saying to do that, but if you do think of it like that, everything that is like what you would consider success requires patience and all the same like attributes that you need in trading as well. Work made you work. That's fucked. The granny joke should not make me laugh. Granny hasn't broken on the 5 min. No, I didn't look at the 5 min. What? No. Oh my God, you're right. And that's why it's pushing up. Because the 1 minute didn't break. Yes. That's a vibe. Bro, give me 100 US. Why? Why? No, don't delete him. Don't delete him. Don't delete him, Nikki. I want to see what he says. You haven't checked the freaking 1 minute and 15 second chart. Any psychological tips? You must become like monk. You want 100 USD to buy a funded account. Why? Why? Bitch ass beeping people. Itch Bay. Behind the wheel king. So still in this range, all good. To bolt and come ask again, yeah. To make some pips. Yeah, but why don't you just buy it yourself, OP trader? I mean, your name is Overpowered Trader, like you should be that guy. So horny, wow, she went there. The old play on words. Very good. Yo, give me 10K, I want to do a money the homeless shelter. Granny wants to start trading. Any tips? Whoa, fuck! Every time, bro. This chair's just got like a mind of its own. Yeah, got the market pinned here. We'll see. See if we can do something here. From where I'm from, you get punched in the face for honking like that? Wow, bro's from the Bronx. You beat once and then immediately get shanked. Yeah, I don't want the market to come down here. Don't force me to sell, bro. I could see it faking as well. I'm going to give this a crack, potentially, if it comes down here. Yeah, I'll put some money on the line. Give me 2 months and I'll return it to you. Here's the thing. I didn't even ask that. I said, why can't you buy it yourself? But people say that all the time, bro, if you do this, you know, I promise you I'll make it back and I'll give you it back or whatever. And it's like, you won't. All good, but you won't. I need some more air. What should we do? Why don't you want to sell? It's because it just hasn't broken out. It'd be like a bit of a risky impulse play without too much confirmation. I mean, the 30's kind of engulfed to a degree. The 15's held down here. We keep rejecting the top. What's the potential that it needs to fill a bit of this range before continuing up? I don't know. Yeah. Just delete that order again. Thank God it didn't. My strategy is panic buy, panic sell. Yeah. Isn't it funny when, like, you know, if you panic buy and then the market seems to turn around, then you panic sell and the market seems to turn around. It's like every time I press a button, it goes the other way. It's almost like fear cooks people. Big Rad, what up? Danny Banks, what up, what up? Pez Banks, are you buying? Bro, I don't have money to buy. Should we give OP an account? Send me your crypto address. Send me your crypto address. Maybe you could be the test dummy to see if you actually pull something off. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know about this. Yeah, I know. The cars, like the people here in Dubai, they're just like so itch bay. Moving to BE fast? Yeah, it's just a fear thing. Comes with time, confidence, and holding your setup. Make the decision before you even enter the trade where you're going to kind of take your shit. Yeah, cash crash test dummy, legit. Oh, did you really, John? Give me some money. Switch to full contracts? Yeah, I've been getting in the habit. I've been doing fulls these days as the accounts grow, yeah. OP, where do you live? Like, where do you actually live in life? On the earth? Pakistan? Yeah, okay. What up, Sylvia? Where are you in Dubai? JBC. You'll have to come over and see Alexandra. Of course, he's got a crypto address just ready to rip. That's so good. Just boom, straight under it. Have very bad inflation, that's why I don't get a job. No, now you're making excuses, that's annoying. The internet allows you to have a job anywhere. Intraplex. Luxembourg. How many funded accounts? Just 2 or 3. And personal. Now more people are sending me crypto addresses and shit in my Facebook. Oh, what have I done? Oh, NQ, let's have a look. What up, Mitch? Oh. Yeah, it's not going to hold above like a pretty breakout. Yeah, would go here. I was kind of anticipating this more at stock exchange. Seconds, see what happens. Yeah, this whole New York Open shit's a scam. Can you explain your strategy briefly? Yeah, strategy briefly is just looking at higher time frames to build a bit of a bias slightly. Drop down to the 15, kind of mark your closest levels of support and resistance. In this case, it would be here and here. The bodies of the candles, red and green next to each other. We've got a nice wick up here. If we do get a break above, kind of fill that wick. Clean traffic down below as well. And in this case, because this range is so small here, I'm just going to look for a candle to either break above, next one retest and continue up, most likely, or a potential impulse. We'll see if it presents. See if an opportunity presents. But yeah, I'm going to be really trying to pursue this as well. This is my personal account here. See 19K balance, started at 5. Started from 5, now we're 9. 10. What you broker make, bro? Wait, what? What you broker make, bro? Why is New York opening a scam? Nah, because I moved to New York because I was like, oh, let's see if we get some good volume and shit. And it just kind of consolidated. But I know like stock exchange kicks in. You can watch my clips in my profile if you are gay. Vanessa, greetings, madame. Greetings, madame. Wow, yeah, man, it's just crazy. Like, any of you guys that want to make any excuses about anything ever, Facebook is now got 11,000 followers, my Facebook account. It just started, I've been posting there since February. It just started popping off the last couple of weeks. And now the live streams there get like 10K views. And it's like, jab your love. A lot of you guys that are loving your job, jab your love. Switch it up, bro. Anyway, we've got a minute here. Let's see if this candle wants to break above this level. Good to have you here, Kush Deep. Why do Indians have deep in their name a lot? Gurpreet. Fucking, you know. Thank you. Yeah, I'm a bit bit scared of NQ right now. This is a bit suspiciously clean. All my earphones died. Bro, could we please talk? Could you please talk like Trump? China! We got the most African American. Well, sorry. China. All right, so we've got. This could be a scam. This could be a scam, bro. I'm going to keep an eye on NQ. It could be a scam, but at some point you got to pull the trigger, right? Because they go deep. Stop saying the J word. Wait, what's the J word? Oh, job. Yeah, gold's. I don't know what gold's doing. Do we want to? Let's have a look at NQ. Let's lock in here for a second. They're making the frogs gay. That's Alex Jones. They're making the frogs gay. More people are sending me their crypto wallet. What? I opened up a can of crypto. Yeah, job you love here, you guys. Atrazine? What the fuck is atrazine? I mean, it really seems like gold wants to fucking drop here. Jack just keeps giving everyone red cards. Every time I go to new stream, it's Chop City. Bro, I bring Chop to the Sui. I put the word Chop in Sui. Yeah, NQ's. I mean, it can totally flip here. I'm a bit scared of it, to be honest. I feel like in order for it to come up here, fill these weeks and potentially keep going, it's going to need like stock exchange open volume. Something went wrong. Come to India? Yeah, I've looked into it before, and it's some of the key things that I look for is just not being presented there for me to be interested. Yeah, I had a little look into it. Wow, this dude in the TikTok. Nikki, if you're on the TikTok chat, probably cook that dude. People that say stuff like that can get my account banned, actually. Women. Yeah. The only thing you looked into is Indian women. Newfoundland. Pez. Yeah, Newfoundland women. Alright. Job your love. People asking buy or seller bots. Yeah, bro, get used to it on streams. It's just insane. Come to Miami. Have Latinas. Yeah, but they cost your whole wage. Sylvia's not impressed. Yep. So far, New York's chopped in this range here, and we're just got to be patient. What are you going to do? You can either be impulsive or patient. And right now, you have to be patient. There's no direction just yet. Job you love. It's silence. Check Irish women. What does actually come up if you type Irish women? All redheads. You know what? A 10 out of 10 chick with black hair is like a 10 out of 10 chick with black hair is a 10 out of 10 chick with black hair. A 10 out of 10 chick with blonde hair is a 10 out of 10 chick with blonde hair. A 10 out of 10 chick with red hair is like 12 out of 10, in my personal opinion. Like if a super duper 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 hot chick can pull off red hair, it's just like neck level. Jab your love. Bro, please send crypto. Check Indian Corella girls. Last time I'm looking because I've got to focus. I don't know what's Indian Corella. Yeah, I don't know. Bro, I don't know why either, Shane. Jack. Your interview with Orion Room? Yeah, nice. You guys watched the interview with Orion Room? NQ massively failed here. Yeah, I was kind of thought that might be the case. Pakistani women? Yeah. Focus on trade, bro. The issue is there's no setup here. We're still in the middle of this range. Interview was awesome. Oh, nice. That's good that you guys like that. I mean, like I said, it was the 10th day that I got here in Dubai. Jump on this hectic fucking pod. Your boy was still like a little virgin here in Dubai. See this, you guys? Job your interview. Job your podcast. Here's a link to it. Oh, Nikki just posted a link to it then. Dub. I'll put it in the YouTube, Facebook chat. Do you wait for a retest after the breaker structure? Yes. Yeah, and the distance in which, the size of the retest varies based on the setup. Do you like pizza? I mean, I like pizza, but you know I like even better than pizza? Being jacked, shredded, smart, intelligent, funny, interesting, rich. So I don't eat it that often. Because if I start eating it too often, then I just start the cycle of disrespect. You want to stack respect. How do you stack respect? By saying no to the pleasures. Yeah, you got to just keep saying no to everything that is pleasureful. Please open a dual stream with Raja Bank. I blew up my account. Dan, I blew up my man account. Can you work on it? You'll make it back in a day. Yeah, I'll work on it. I'll make it back in a day if you give me 80% of the profits. Jump your hate. Okay, we're moving back up this range, this level now. Nah, I'm not trading within this range, John, at all. And the fact that it's got the wicks at the top end, so meaning the range is already kind of been filled. For this to be a type 2, you wouldn't want these wicks all the way up here. You would kind of want rejections down here. But even that, I don't want to trade within this range. This is Cook City. If I was going to trade within this range, it would be like to anticipate a impulse breakout. I love you, sir. I love you too. I'm Moran. You just asked me if you love pizza, I'm sure too. Nah, I'm only joking, bro. I mean, I had a pizza the other week. I have like a cheat meal once a weekend. Every weekend I have a cheat. Danny's my Raja. Okay, here we go. Begging all day. Yeah, exactly. A small detail in your routine can start this. You know, you can say a small detail, a small break, like a small interruption in your daily routine can fuck your shit, but it fucks it up because it's like a crack. Oh, you let one thing in, and then more things start to seep in. You want to seal those cracks. I mean, life's really there's a way to play the life. I think the Bible lays out the script for how to do it the best, personally, because I believe it was made by the creator of all of this shit. You don't have to believe that, but that's my opinion. And the evidence is I'm living this craziest life since I followed that script. Damn, something bit my phone. If I give you 5K and you do the challenge with it, fuck. I mean, come on, man. Like, at some point we've really got to work. We've got to put some effort in. Digital, I don't know what you're saying. You got to say it again, but shorter. Yeah, it's because you're high on the intuition scale, Sylvia. What's the script? The script is that script isn't the right term, but I mean, if you think about if you were to say that life's a video game, you could say as a way to play a video game the right way. Who's ever played Skyrim? And when you go into Skyrim, it's like an open world map, and you can either go free range and just walk out to the hardest parts and try and beat up these dudes that have way better weapons than you, or if you follow the right path, you can kind of level up and get all these attributes and like really fucking level up quick. And even some parts on the map you physically can't get through unless you level up to a certain point first. So your level has to be like 50 before you can get to a certain part in the map. And that's the same with life as well. You'll try and like skip steps. People try and get to the next level in their trading without going through the due diligence. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying. All I know is just kill it. Give me $1, I'll turn it into $1 trillion. Nice to hear, MD. Get it, brother, get it. NQ, what do you got for us, my brother? This hour candle's about to close. 30-minute, 4 hour, 1 hour, and all the shit. Yeah, we're getting a bunch of closures coming up here. Lock in, chat. If you haven't thumbed up the live stream, then I'm going to come to your house and kiss you. So make sure you thumbs it up. Is Bitcoin really flying? If it's not flying, you're getting banned. All good. Let's have a check. Yep, it is kind of breaking out through a pretty key level. Yeah, Bitcoin's approaching a very key level there. How do I become you, sir? Yes, sir, Stuart. Do you recommend any books that helps? Yeah, I just recommend Tom Hugard, Best Loser Wins. Digital Hard Deep. I'm not reading all that, bro. Just make it in simple terms. Can't be bothered. Yeah, you'll find all sorts of shit on TikTok. Lecon, whatever your name is. Thumbed up already? Thank you, Angus. So moving up. We are moving up here. There's that closure. 30, 1 hour. What do we got? 15, 30, 1 hour. What's NQ doing? Oh, look at NQ. It came all the way back up. Looks exactly like how that, this is like exactly what that 15-minute candle looked like when it broke out. Let's have a look. Yeah, look how similar. Exact same structure. Is Tory Trades a scam? I don't know. Ask her. Hardeep. Damn. Fucking maybe it's going to be NQ. Gold's been a little bit of a silly bugger. If this can give me a bit more of a bottom wick and break its high, I might be interested in a little buy.
Order filled.
I guess I have no choice. Oh wow, I didn't put much size on. Damn, that's lame. Why did I not put that much size on? There she goes. Nice. I'm gonna go to BE here. I don't know if anyone had time to catch that. Beautiful. All right, I'm out. I'm out.
Filled.
Trump dance. Bro, what the fuck? How is that only 200 bucks? Did you really, Sylvia? Nice. I was gonna put 2, but I was like, I wonder, Mitch, are you still here? Because I know Mitch was eyeing this off. Yeah, nice. Top 10 quickest fucking things. What's the reason behind it? We kind of held above this breakout level. Look, we're holding above. Retest it again. I'll take it. That could have went really bad. What do you mean? Every trade could go bad. Every trade you take, you risk it not being a winning trade. All right, let's see. Wow, gold is smashing through the fucking roof. You just got lucky? Yeah, I guess I got lucky for 5 years straight and had multiple 6 figures fucking wins consistently my whole life. Says the guy in the chat. Whose name is literally Troll. Fucking hell. Like it's pretty fucking simple. Look, the 4 hours above this level, it retested, it's pushing up. The 1 hour broke out, it held, it broke out. The 30-minute broke out, and the 15 failed to break below and held above this range. It retested one more time, flipped up, take the entry. Pretty simple stuff, bro. Just because you don't understand it doesn't mean it's luck. It just means you're a shit trader. Nah, jokes. Oh, you did, Mitch? Yes. Dub. I would have went way heavier. I would have gone like 3-4 times my size if I knew. I don't know what I was thinking. I could have swore. I'm so shit with NQ, man. I always think the range is like the size is bigger than what it is. Next level on NQ, on gold's up here. Oh, you got it as well, Rad. Did you get it, Allison? Wish I went heavy as well. Yeah. What do you mean strange thing happened to gold? Yeah, I would have went way heavier, to be honest, because nice static, beautiful. What do you think about the NQ buy? I just kind of talked about it. Yeah. Go to live and scale. I mean, I just don't know if I can be bothered going to live. These guys are still sending me their fucking crypto wallet. Because I won't even start my live account with much, because all my accounts, I get to like 10K, pull out 5, and then it gets back to 10K, and I'm just like always under the 10K limit, basically. They'll put me to live with like 20K max, if that. Caught it as well, nice. Oh, you did, Allison? Awesome. All right. NQ gonna rip? Yeah, probably. Who knows? It's not my. I did my piece. Get real good at just taking your fucking base hit and then moving on to the next. $1,150 overall free platforms. Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, hey, something I got to tell you guys. This Sunday, free webinar. Tomorrow onwards on the stream, I'm going to have a link to register for the free webinar. This is going to be mega shits. This is for the public. It's a free webinar for the public this Sunday. I'll have a link tomorrow. And anyone that wants to learn the strategy and the system or work with me one-on-one, a bit more in depth, go to danielholmestrades.com, submit an application to work one-on-one with your boy. Can you make the chart smaller? Nah, I'd say come over to YouTube if you want to see it. Yeah, big screen on YouTube. My advice, Bolton, is just keep showing up, my G. Fuck off, Ty. How can I get your strategy? Give me your strategy. Are you wearing a wig? Yes. Wow, you boys just got hair issues that you wouldn't even believe. All right, next setup, I'm going super heavy. I've made so much money from Top Step lately that I can afford to be extremely reckless and just throw it all away for nothing. I've made 60,000 Australian dollars with Top Step in the last 5 weeks. 60,000 dollars has hit my account from Top Step. Isn't that fucking boo boo? Isn't that goo goo gaga? Trading's a scam. Especially when peep this chat. Bang bang banana. Bang bang banana. So that was the recent. Oh no, that was the first one. 4.5K. And then the most recent one, which was yesterday, is, I mean, 5 or whatever, but yeah. But yeah, pretty fucking juicy, man. Photoshop. Will the new payout rules affect you? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't. My whole thing is I don't even think about it. I'll just look in the back end and see if there's, you know, it says like payout, request payout. It just kind of says it. So every now and then I'll check my shit, and then if it says it, then I'll just click it. Yeah. I don't care how much it says. Oh, I do. Nothing more, nothing less than $2,500. I'll never, personally, I don't suggest it, but me personally, I don't want to take anything less than $2,500. Scammer. Rad, you're not going to be like me. You're going to be better. You're going to be better, my G. You're going to make me look like a bish. Yeah, NQ's waiting for stock exchange. We've got 9.15. Gold's just absolutely, just completely bailed. It's just completely nerfed. Yeah, yeah. There's no reward cap on Top Step. I don't know what a reward cap means. You get like a hat that says you're rewarded. Where did you enter, Dan? I entered an NQ buy just before. So now I'm looking for another opportunity somewhere. You still got 500s? No, I've got 3 at the moment. I'll probably buy one back. I've got the option of, you know, you can buy, I don't suggest it, but I'll do it. I'll buy one back. But the reason why I haven't added more in, because I feel like they're going to move me to live, and I don't want to just get 2 new accounts just for them to move me to live, and I just wasted fucking a bunch of money for no reason. Where's this request payout tab? Wait, do you actually not know what I mean, Ty? Oh, I see what you see. I see what you say. That's hilarious. Sweet as Jade. Aditha, good stuff. Yeah, 9.15 coming in. Hopefully we can get something here. Gold's just nerfing all the sellers. Pez is going to persuade you to go live. Oh, really? Yeah, it's like I said, the only issue is it's not like I have like a massive balance on these accounts. So when they move me to live, I'm going to have like a fucking like $13,000 account. I'm like, yippee. Like, I'll just withdraw that and then go elsewhere. I'll take my toys and go somewhere else. Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream. Oh, look at this dip here. This is where oh no, you can't see it actually. Where I took the trade and then people bail after. Glitched back end for sure. Wow, gold. That's a vibe. What happens when they move you to live? They essentially consolidate your accounts. So if you've got like 3 accounts with maybe like whatever's in those accounts, they just consolidate it into one account, and then that's your balance to trade with, I guess, something like that. My gox. This is crazy. Damn, I guess maybe, I don't know, I guess we'll be a little bit patient here, but it looks like that NQ buy might have been already set up. If I can. All right, there's that closure, 9:15 here now. Volume central. That's a vibe. What the fuck? All right, so we're right. We came all the way up here, I guess. Man, this is dog shit. What do you guys think? I might call it, man. There's nothing happening. NQ is about to have the stock exchange kick in. Gold's massively overextended. In order to get a setup on gold, going to need like 2 more 15-minute candles to develop. And I'm not keen to sit around for that. All good. Yeah, nothing really happened, Jack. Yeah, that's all right. Got a little NQ buy there. I know we acted quick on it, but it is what it is. Got a buy as a buy. Stay for another 2 hours. Bro, some people do that. Some of these guys fucking stream for 3 hours. Love you, gang. Appreciate yous. And I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Eat swa. Ich bay. See you guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.